Hello friends, my name is Abhay'Kulkarni and today's date is 27th of August and today's topic of discussion is what is HTML. So for, before this we will see about what is the HTML. So if we open any browser or a website based applications, there are mainly front end technologies running there behind. So in the front end technologies there are mainly three components are present. That components are called as a HTML file, CSS files, and the TypeScript files. That TypeScript files that together the module is called as a component. That component is given to the Spring module, and Spring module connected to the database. So this is all about how the front end technology works. So now we will see about the what is HTML. So as the name suggests, HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is the code that is used to structure a web page and its contents. For example, a content could be a paragraph or could be a bullet points or any form such as a student form, admission form that can be a HTML fonts together. So HTML is a markup language that defines a structure of your content HTML cost of series of elements which you have to enclose or wrap different parts of a content to make it appear a certain way, or add the closing or text can make a word or an image hyperlink to somewhere else. So it can be initialized words can make the fonts bigger or smaller and so on. For example, the HTML is having the HTML and slash HTML. Inside that, your whole the web page program should be written. So, if we wanted to line by stand itself, we could specify that the paragraph is enclosing inside the inside the tags. That is, uh, first now we will see one by one what are the tags. So the tags are used to define any behavior of the component. The component is between the two tags. So for the paragraph tag, the slash p is used inside that cones. So, what is the anatomy of HTML? So there is an opening tag that is p, and if my name hello inside that closing tag slash p is there, that is closing tag. That is opening tag and closing tag in the inside the between our data is present. So the data is called as a content, and the opening tag and closing tags are called as a element. So the main parts of our element is as follows: the opening tag. This consists of the name of the element, in this case P, wrapped in the opening and the closing angle brackets. So that brackets are called as angle brackets. The next one is closing tag. This is the same as that of closing tag, but it includes the forward slash before the element name. The next is the content. This is the content of the element, which is the case in just text. The element, the opening tag, the closing tag, and the content together comprises of the one element. So elements can have different attributes that can be like the following. That is slash p class equal to editor slash node, that is hello and paragraph close. So the class equal to editor type is called as the attribute. So attribute contains the extra information about the element that you don't want to appear in the actual content, that you don't want to appear in the actual content. Here the class is the attribute name and the editor node is the attribute value. The class attribute allows you to give the elements a non-unique identifier that used to target it. So now we will see about the nesting element. So you can put element inside other elements too. That is, this is called as a nesting. So if you wanted to state that uh, our hello word, we could wrap the word inside the very in a strong element. That means it would be bold. That is, if we are having one element inside that another element, we should write the tag as a strong. So next one, we will talk about the empty elements. Some elements have no content and are called as an empty element. So take the img element that we already have to insert the image content inside the HTML file. The img tag is used. Img src equal to your image name and the closing angle tags. So we will see the anatomy of the HTML syntax. So first it is the HTML opening bracket and the HTML closing bracket. Inside that head is present. Inside that head you have to write the website title, that is my test page. Inside that down there is a body. Inside that body, if you want to insert the image source, that is img src equal to the images. So this is all about the today's video. Thank you.